Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, and if you are existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in. So guys, I just want to take you with me to Meat World. I want to go shopping for my catering stuff. Let me take a book before I forget it. I wrote some things in the book, so quickly wanna go get everything that I wrote English. Okay, so this is my book. I used this book to plan for the event. So yeah, most of the stuff are in here, what's missing, what I need to buy, so I don't just overspend. So let me know how you plan your event or even your grocery shopping. Are you a shopping list person, or you just go with the flow? But in this case, we don't want to waste money, right? We're not buying the whole Pick and Pay. So let's go to Meat World. There? Orange? Orange? What are you saying?
That we don't have any snacks.
Oh, I am not going to buy snacks. I'm not going to Pick and Pay. I'm going to the butchery.
But I'm saying that why can't you go when you're done?
I'm working. It's my lunch time. 1 hour. I only have 1 hour. What kind of snacks?
Huh?
What kind of snacks?
Any. Just one.
Let's see how it goes. Maybe we will go later.
Okay.
Oh. I'm not sure if I should buy the remaining stuff at Pick and Pay, because some I need from Woolies. So maybe I should just go to Checkers, because Woolies and Checkers, they are on the same side, which is easier. Yeah, maybe I should just go to Checkers, guys. Must go to Checkers and come back like this, right? And go to Woolworths. But let me first start Come on, so I know, because these things I need to get meat. If I get meat, and then the rest will be easier because it's small things. Let me get the meat. My menu, I wrote everything down yesterday with Chef Sibu. So with the rice, I already bought a whole lot of things. So I think some of the things I'm gonna get at Meat World, because they have veggies. Hey guys, so I just wanted to say, if you feel like you wanna start the catering business, please guys, please start it, right? Just do it. And if you feel like you don't know how you're gonna measure, guys, ask the butcher. It's best to ask. There's nothing wrong in asking. And Nina, I'm here rooting for everyone who's starting a small business. Bona waniso thoma into eno 4 kgs of meat, which is like 32 kgs. So yeah, guys, I was here and shopping for the
and I saw
and some
already peeled
veggies.
carrots.
So
I thought, you know what, it's gonna make our life easier.
Saturday is gonna be a busy one. We are catering in Alberton, so I decided to buy everything. I am grateful that God has actually fed me with someone who loves cooking, and I'm grateful for my mom and my sister who would travel from Hammanskraal to here to help me set up. So guys, I get speaking working. If only two so accept that too. So yeah. Oh, and another thing that I wanted to mention, guys, we're doing this while we have 9 to 5 yarona, while we're still going to Kwamlungu. Yeah, guys, so you better start that hustle now. Start that catering business. Start cooking for those people. Better start that scones business. So guys, yeah, I just wanted to be here to just remind you that
That idea that was planted is not your idea. It's God's seeds. So please nourish them. Please water them. Please make something out of them. Don't just leave them. They are there for a reason. So if you want to start that bookkeeping business, start small. As long as you have started, what matters is that you have taken the first step towards your dream. And yeah, I think I've said this so many times. Pray about it. Pray about your business. Pray about wisdom. Pray about pray like and be humble. So guys, yeah, no, I am out. I just wanted to preach. Bye.
So I am done. Go Meat World, and the guys were so friendly and very helpful. So I just bought one box of chicken thighs. I'm gonna count them because it's pointless to buy two without us knowing exactly the quantity in that box. So guys, please watch the ads and watch my videos until the end, please. Right now let's go to Clicks. I just quickly want to buy toilet papers and toothpaste for Kanto. Guys, I need to go out of Clicks with 2 items. 2 items. Hi guys, so we are busy preparing for tomorrow. We're cleaning the chicken, we're gonna marinate and right, this is behind the scenes. So as you know, standard procedure, Makado is sending some things to me. I can't wait to unbox it with you guys so you can see what she's sending and what she did for me. Excitement.
Guys, again, we were just talking about the nails. The conversation in the background was not good for my YouTube content. So yeah, I ordered another chef jacket, so a black one. I'm sorry guys, I have to do a voiceover. A black one, and it's very nice. Chef Shibu did wear this one, and I've ordered some aprons. Remember I said cannot wear another brand's apron because I'm building my own brand. So yeah, and guys, step by step, I'm gathering my uniform bit by bit. Not at all. So it looks beautiful. Makado, well done, sister. I am a regular customer. So guys, please, when you see me, you know that this is bakes and bites in the making. And then you can see this baby here, right? She is slowly growing, and I thank God for that. Yeah, guys, she's growing so nicely. So those aprons, they're gonna come in handy. I love them, and the quality is just too nice. So yeah, guys, I think I am done with the speeches. Yes. Okay, let's stop with the soapy stories. Let's now brine the meat.
Look how pretty it is. Before we can even, go further. And we clean as we go. We don't work at dirty workstations. So this I'm going to wash.
These are coriander seeds, guys. They smell so good. And then we're gonna add some salt, bay leaves. You chop the coriander seeds?
Yes. Just do this.
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now the damaged goods where it should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you?
We're doing the base, guys. I'm gonna simmer this, put it in slow cook. Hey guys, so I just wanted to close this section. So it's 12 o'clock midnight, so I am going to sleep. So we're done with the preparations. The meat is marinated. It's a lot of meat. The meat is marinated, beetroot is being cooked, and we have peeled some things, some celeries, leeks. So most of the stuff, beans, we have peeled and prepped, but some of the stuff we can't do it overnight, like your peppers, your carrots, and because they're gonna be soggy. So the time to wake up is 5 o'clock in the morning. So I have 5 hours. My back is now killing me. I have 5 hours. Then Chelsea will be here around 5 in the morning. First thing first, we switch on the meat, let it cook, and we start with the dumpling. We mix the dumpling, and then we peel. Then we're gonna peel, chop everything that's required, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Guys, wish me luck, but I am super confident by 12 we will be done. So yeah, I am so tired right now. Good night, guys. Bye.
Mobile kitchen.
Guys, we're not using our cars for deliveries. God bless us with mobile kitchens. Yeah. Please. We are out. Different.
Kilometer, take exit 402 for R59 toward Alberton, Marinating.
Hey guys, we are on the way. We are going to deliver the food. I am so tired. My voice is acting up. So yeah guys, I'll see you then. Donate mobile kitchen, please guys. One mobile kitchen as our please donate.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad.
I think repeated the flight.
But I want you to understand something. That she needs
Maybe power. Okay, guys, so guys, I hope you can hear me. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening with my voice, but we are here at.
We woke up very early in the morning, so the voice is gone. We are tired. As you can see, my eyes, it's like I've been crying.
I hope we're not gonna get copyrights from the music.
Myself again, give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself.